Finally tonight, a recent spike in whooping cough infections has prompted health authorities to continue to offer free vaccination to the parents of newborn babies. Whooping cough is highly infectious and can be life-threatening for babies. More than 4,000 Victorians have contracted the disease this year. That's double the number of cases for the same period last year. Accordingly, the free vaccination program for new parents will continue for another 12 months.
This will prevent them as far as we can from contracting whooping cough and then passing that to their newborn babies.
However, unlike other states, Victoria is not offering free vaccine to grandparents.